Truck's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. So the cat's going to go. All right. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Who's that? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Who is that? Let's see. Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair? Does that look like a witch? Looks like a witch. What funny teeth? Who is hiding underneath? I think that's a pretty good disguise, though. Under the mask, who do you see? 1, 2, 3. Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. So they're all getting ready to go somewhere. Let's see where they're going. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? That's a nice hat, isn't it? Oh, fancy. Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. How do you think they are? They're all at their destination now. What's that? It looks like it's a party. A dragon head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Hey, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? I don't know. What is that? Off comes a sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo. And we see all of everyone having fun at the party. We have pumpkins and apples. Everybody's their costumes. We got a band called the Pumpkin Heads. This looks like fun. Alright, I hope everybody enjoyed that.